I just arrived back home after a little week in Sweden, and today we're gonna take a closer look at the route planner from Stegra. I started out this little adventure with very little planned. The only thing I had in mind was that I wanted to wild camp with my hammock as much as possible, and I wanted to start out going down the southern part of Norway towards the ferry from Sandefjord over to Strömstad, and kind of start planning in Sweden and get as much gravel road as possible. Everybody knows how it is when you come to a new country. You're not quite sure where to go, where the best routes are, and kind of where to plan out your adventure. The beauty with Stegra is that it automates a lot of that process for you. You just put a waypoint where you are and a new waypoint where you want to go, and it tries to calculate and find the best route towards that place, set to the what preferences you put into the planner. And I'm gonna put my complete trust to the Stegra route planner and see where this adventure takes me. Oh, first thing first. Jack. Oh. And a little bit of Coke. Just to celebrate the day. Oh. Oh. I had an absolutely amazing day following the Stegra route today. I'm really amazed how well that route planner working. It's like I put up a route from where I wake up early this morning towards this wind shelter. And the roads it has taken me on, the gravel roads and some of the tarmac roads, have been absolutely a blast to ride. I didn't know roads like that existed here in Sweden, to be honest. I thought it was only straight roads. So there's no doubt that it works really good, and probably one from Sweden would argue that there are better routes close by or other options you can take. But for me, that is a foreigner and have no clue about where to go except some pre-ridden routes that I have before. It has worked really, really well. So now I'm just gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the last couple of hours with daylight before I go to bed. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing tomorrow. I'm just gonna let Stegra choose the route for me, and I'm gonna continue down my path towards the camping where I will meet up with Matthias.